Alrighty guys, I just finished replacing the dash on this 2008 Yamaha R6. While I have everything off, I figured I'd just give you guys a tutorial on how to get through the settings. You can customize all kinds of things like the brightness of the dash, the brightness of the light here.
Don't ask! For God's sakes, don't ask!
Here, you can change it to whether you want it to be just a solid light or flashing. You can change where that light turns on, what RPM it engages that. So I'll go ahead and walk you guys through that. Basically what you're going to want to do is hold the select button while you turn the key on. So you're going to hold it for about 5 seconds, I believe, but I can't really do that with one hand. So
yes, you can! Just do it!
now I'm going to hold that down, flip the key to on. Now what you're going to see is that little dot pop up. It's usually going to pop up with 3. This one is at the lowest brightness setting. So this is changing the brightness of these 2 screens here. So you navigate with select and you change each selected setting with the reset button. So with this, I'm going to click the reset button to change the brightness. I like to have the brightness higher.
Now that's a bright idea.
So I'm going to leave it there. Then I'm going to go to select. It's going to go to the next one. So basically it could be either solid or flashing fast or flashing slow. So
the thing I just said that I should do? Do I think it's the thing I should do?
oh shoot, I went to the next one. Hold on. All right, so remember we hit reset to go through those options. So click that. I like to have it at quick flashing.
It's going to go really fast.
First the solid light, set that at 12. Then we're going to set where it starts to flash. We're going to set that right there, 13. All right, and then we are to the brightness of this light. So I like to have that pretty bright. And that's it, guys. So if that was helpful, leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one.